Miles, is it bedtime? It's not bedtime?
It's not bedtime, he's in the picture.
You're in the picture, but it's bedtime, right?
No!
What do you mean, no?
It's nighttime.
It's nighttime.
No!
It's time to go to bed. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? What does Miles want to eat? You want to eat your peanut butter sandwich?
Good job, Julian. Good job, big boy.
Juice cup. You want juice cup? Juice cup. Juice cup. Want juice cup?
You want juice?
Yes, I want juice cup.
Say juice cup, please.
Say juice cup, please.
Okay. Say please, Mommy.
Thanks, Mommy.
Thank you.
Thank you. A tub and we pick up this one.
What do you want to eat? You want a fruit cup?
Fruit cup.
You want a fruit cup?
Yes, fruit cup. Yes.
Okay. Say thank you, Mommy. Miles, say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy. You're welcome.
Thank you for the juice cup.
Thank you for the juice cup.
Are you hungry? What do you want to eat?
Sandwich.
You want to eat a sandwich?
Sandwich.
What kind of sandwich do you want to eat?
Fruit cup.
You want a fruit cup sandwich?
Okay.